Hello everyone, and thank you guys for tuning back into the channel. So today I'm going to be talking about a trade that I made on AMD, and the trade and position that I took was a call, and it was a 30 strike call that expires this week, and I sold it on the same day for a nice $30 profit. This video is 1 day late because I was busy recording something else. So this is not what I traded today. I traded this yesterday, but nonetheless, it was a really nice executed trade, and you guys are going to see why right now. So I'm going to go ahead and hop over onto the TD Ameritrade chart to explain to you guys why I took this trade. So here we have the AMD chart, and as you guys can see, right at the opening bell, AMD started to drop a lot, and it dropped all the way down to the 30.8 area, which would become its support. And as you guys can see that right after it reached the 30.8 area, it bounced all the way up to the high of the day towards the 31.10 area. However, it wasn't able to make a decent breakthrough of that area, so it ended up dropping all the way down to the 30.8 area once again. And once again, this became a strong support because as you guys can see, right after this big red candle, a green candle followed, and it bounced off the 30.8 area again. And this time it tried to make another breakthrough. However, it was rejected at the purple line, which is the VWAP. So once again, it started to downtrend right around here, and it reached the 30.8 area support again. So this time that's when I started to look into for a trade, because I said to myself that this was already a really strong support because of the previous bounces that it had throughout the day of that area. So I entered the trade right around here, which was around 9:45ish, because it was trading around the 30.8 area, and it was consolidating. And within a couple of minutes, it started to make the bounce off the support as it did in the morning. And this time, it did not get rejected. It actually passed through the, it crossed over the EMA line, which is the green line, and it was also to break. It was also to break through the purple line, which is the VWAP. So I sold on the breakthrough of the VWAP because I did not know if it was going to keep on going higher and test the 31.10 area like it did earlier in the day. And I was already up around 10%, so I wanted to lock in profits. But sure enough, it ended up going even higher, and from that bounce of the 30.8 area, it ended up reaching a new day high of almost 30.20. So if we would have been able to hold on to those calls a little bit longer, the gain would have been significantly bigger. But it's always better to it's always nice to have the right idea and lock in profits beforehand, because there is no guaranteeing that it was going to break through the resistance line of 31.10, which is the black line up here. So overall, it was a pretty easy trade because of how many times it bounced off that 30.8 area. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.